Good, definitely good to go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel today. So I was sitting here and I was like, not sitting here, but thinking, what could I do? And it's not what I could do, it's what do I normally do? And I figured, why not take something ordinary and make it extraordinary? So, if you're interested in seeing how mixing all my masks together look, feel, and kind of just like, what do they do?
Is my face gonna burn off?
Am I gonna be a tomato?
Am I gonna walk out of here looking like a taco or a cucumber? So, stay tuned if you want to see that, okay? Also too, before I get right into that video, I do want to give a shout out to Destiny and Poppy for watching this video. Those are my two little cousins. I said I would give them a shout out, and I want to thank them so much for supporting me and watching me on my journey, as well as all my other family members, my mom, my cousin, and
whoever else.
I just want to say thank you so much, because any little support is support, and I gotcha. Now I'm just like,
Where the heck are all my masks?
oh, Jesus. Hello? Are you in there? Mask. Alright, so it's literally the weirdest thing. When you want to record something, you can't find your mask. So right now I pretty much only found 3.
I'm gonna keep looking.
Alright, so sadly but true, it seems like we're pretty much only working with things that are clarifying for pores. So boscia luminizing blackhead mask, sephora mud mask purifying and mattifying, and purity pore extractor. So these are pretty much all exfoliating pore things. So basically after this, if I don't have you know, 0 pores, 0 anything, 0 oils, then it probably doesn't work. Or it could work amazing and I made an extreme mud purifying pore extracting, maybe peel off, maybe wash off mask. Alright, so this is my skin now. Definitely not perfect. I have a lot of irritation here, so maybe this mask will do something with that. I do have some, I guess you could say some pores. Everybody has pores, but like maybe some, you know, things going on here, and you know, I see some pimps here, and ignore the wrinkles, you know, getting Botox or whatever. Alright, so I'm assuming the best way to do this is maybe to do, or try to do as equal parts as possible. So I'm going to take this little tube, I'm going to take a little, not that much, but like a little dime piece of the peel off. I'm curious to see if, will it peel off, or, you know, I have to rinse it off. I'm assuming that because these two are rinse off, I'm probably going to have to wash it off, which sucks, but this is how much I have of that one. I'm going to take the pore extractor one, which is also an exfoliating clay. This is actually, and these are actually really good products. This one I tried once, I think, before, and it's pretty good as well. Take a little bit of that. I'm trying to get equal parts as possible. There we go. Yin and yang. So, can't beat that. Pretty equal. Then this one I think is literally like a gray color. Let me see, I can't really remember. Oh yeah. So basically this one looks like as if we mixed it already. So I'm going to take a little bit. I'm going to take this like flat brush. I'm going to take what I feel would be like equal parts to that. So about that much. And start to like get some mixing going on here. So let's see what happens here. Alright, so let's see. I'm just going to keep mixing that. Smells really good. It smells like tropical mint chocolatness. And now the moment of truth. I'm literally scared of what's gonna happen, but you know what? That's what life's about in 2020, taking chances. So I'm gonna start right here. Oh God, I have to see somehow. So let's get a little Mac mirror. Yeah, feels really good. Get a little bit in here because I had that little irritation that I was talking about before, so you know, maybe that'll help it. Trying to go around my piercing a little bit, but that doesn't really work out. Really make sure I get like these little bumps on my forehead around here that I was talking about. Kind of reminds me of when people were going around and doing like the power of makeup challenge. Now this is like the power of mask challenge, so half and half. It's weird because it kind of feels like this would be like kind of like a Noxzema mask, kind of like a thicker minty mask. Feels good. Yeah, I definitely think if this goes well, I'll definitely make this again for sure. Alright, so I tried to stop and do a thumbnail, but I don't know if that's working. I'm gonna take some on the other side and get this going, because to me it seems like this is drying
freaking fast.
Glop that on again, and let's go. You could already see how fast it's drying from the color change, so definitely gotta work fast. Alright guys, so this is the whole mask on. To be honest with you, I know like we're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but I mean, come on, this is definitely not gonna peel off. So this is gonna be, you know, one of those annoying little, you gotta wash your damn face mask, but what can you do, you know? So I'm gonna give this, I mean, judging off of this side, whoa. Literally guys, this was like not even 5 minutes. Judging off of that, I'm probably gonna give this like maybe 5 more minutes, and probably gonna have to wash this off because look at the huge color difference already. Like that's crazy. It's like I'm highlighting and contouring over here with a mask. Good concept. And so brushes down, 5 minutes. Oh, let me see if I can drink coffee. So I still have general movement to my face. For now. Let's take a little zoom in and see what that looks like. It looks to me like this, I guess you would say quote unquote Franken mask is gonna do something cool, because if you look really good, you could kind of see it's going into those little areas I was talking about, especially my freaking Botox forehead lines. Looks like it's gonna do a good job at really getting this little area here. So really the only thing we could do is wait a painful 5 more, 3 more, 2 more minutes at this point, really. Alright, so I think we're all done. I'm gonna go rinse this off and let's see what the verdict is.
Did this do anything to my face?
Is my face gonna fall off?
Will my nose ring survive?
Is there any beauty benefits to this at all? And then we'll be back, but this is definitely dry. It's crazy because it feels cold, but such a weird texture, hard to explain. I guess that's what happens when you mix chemicals.
5 hours later.
Okay, I am back from mask hell. So literally that was so crazy to get off. I feel like it didn't really make that difference except for make me
Impossibly dry. Tremendously dry.
I'm about to zoom in a minute, but literally like you can see that my, not only did it mess up my hair, but not that bad. But not only did it mess up my hair, but also too like my face literally feels so dry. It took about 5 hours to get off. Was it worth it? I don't know. I mean, a lot of the time when I try masks, especially mattifying and clarifying, my face does feel dry, but this feels like as if somebody put
cement on my face and it literally sucked out all the oils, but
let's zoom in and take a little bit of a look and see if you see a difference maybe. Alright, so here we are. This is after. So I mean, what's crazy is that I guess because the skin is so matte, you could technically say that something happened. These bumps are still here. This got a little irritated here. But I mean, see that little shine? Don't get fooled. That's because your freaking head is so dry. So dry. I mean, can I say there's a difference? I could say yeah, only because the skin is less oily and it's more matte. But especially this area. To be honest with you guys, I don't even know if I would recommend doing this. I don't think it's really good for your skin probably to mix stuff, but then again, who knows? I might be mixing stuff in the future, so I don't know. I think it's pretty cool to mix stuff and see what happens. I mean, why stick with one thing? Like, I feel like now I'm gonna mix everything. Face washes, moisturizer, mouthwash, toothpaste. Who knows? Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, please let me know down below. Definitely don't mind filming and getting to know you guys a little bit better, but also putting out, you know, fresh, fun content that, you know, you guys enjoy, but also I like filming as well. This is probably going to be my last video on this camera, sadly, but happily. That's my cat. Back there. But no, but thank you guys so much for watching, and next time you see me, you'll probably be seeing me in 1080p. Oh yeah. Thank you again, and have a good day. Is my piercing still there? Thank God.
Thank God.
Is this presentable? Is this presentable?